Hello friends, many times you are at the premises of the SSC for verification or investigation, and there if you find a laptop or a computer where we have, and then we wait for the computer guy to come and do the imaging for us for the backup. Now these things are very small things which we can learn on our own also. Now, either we, in this example, we will take a pen drive to show how we can do the imaging ourselves. These are FNC, but we will install a pen drive, this USB-G drive, where we have these files, and we want to image these files, this whole drive in fact. So what we can do is we will use a pen drive, our own personal pen drive, in which we will have a software called FTK Imager. Now this is a portable software imager Lite. There we will find this FTK Imager. We will run it as an administrator. Now using the administrator gives us privileges to create files. Then we will create disk image. Go to File, Create Disk Image, and there the first option is physical drive. I mean the whole physical drive you can, if you want to image, then you can select the whole physical drive by clicking next, or you can select one of the drives if you want to image a single logical drive that you can see on my computer. So here we are imaging that pen drive, so we will select a logical drive, though our pen drive is G, so we will select G over here and then click next, finish. So what will happen is it will give a new box. So our image source is G, and we will always use raw DD format. It's Linux format. Always use this format so that we can use open source software. And then we will fill this columns, case number. Then we can file our own name, and you can file also the name of the premises. So, for example, we'll put at residence. One number of the residence as you get on the, and then we have to select a place where we keep this image. Now at the SSC place we will get a new hard disk. So new hard disk will be again shown, so suppose as I, you can select that I, but here in our case we are doing in my local hard disk, so I will go to my local hard disk, or the new hard disk that you get at the SSC premises, select that thing. So here I am keeping it on my local hard disk. I will create a new folder and rename it as test case, and I will use this test case to save my image files. You can even name the image file in that same folder. You can, suppose you have to image multiple drives into different images, or you want to image one working copy and one copy that you keep as a test copy, original copy. So you will then start the imaging process. Now this is the time when we, in the SSC's premises, we wait for hours and hours. Now here is only 8 GB, so still here it will take a lot of time. So I will just cut short and move forward. So here you can see that still it's taking 5 minutes over here. Then we will see that it will verify the hashtags through which we are able to ascertain whether or not it has been properly imaged. So it will create some hash values, MD5 values also, which you can see, and it will also create a text file also containing these values, which you can which we will use in our form 65B. So you can go to the place where the image has been created, and you can see that there is a text file in which we will have these values. Now our image is completed now. An analysis can be done on this. Now what we need is, in our office, how do we load that image from the working copy? So we do image mounting. We will find the place where that file is. Here it is in F. In our case on the premises, it will be a separate hard disk. You will load that image name through there, and then you will mount it. After you mount it, you will get a drive where it is G drive. Now you can open it, and that image, that will be the drive of the image of the SSC's drive. So in the G drive you can see all these files that were in the SSC's place. You can see over here. Now thing is, SSC normally deletes their file. So this is the whole thing that we are able to see, but how to analyze or investigate further? So we mount this image for further analysis. This thing can be done at the SSE's place also, where we can see what files were exactly over there. Now, see here in this pen drive I had some songs, I deleted those songs, but this imager is able to see that these some folders were there which has been deleted. It will also be able to show you some files were there which had been deleted, and those files might be of interest to you, so you can directly confront the SSE over there at the place itself after imaging. We don't need any analyst to do that, and you can see the files which has been deleted, the cross is coming over there. Now this is a free software of access data, so it's not like, see, we have a suspicious Excel. In the next video we will see how we can analyze this image and how we can reconstruct these files which are of importance to us. Thank you.